Now, the Exchange has played host to a number of different events over the past several weeks celebrating women. Stephanie Dobbs-Brown, ICE's Chief Marketing Officer, has been at the forefront of all of them, and she's joining me now to talk more about it. Good morning, Stephanie.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
I mean, it's great to have you on NYC TV Live, but let's start by talking about some of the most major notable events that we've had here in recent weeks.
Yeah, oh my goodness, there's been so many. Just a few weeks ago, we celebrated Girls and Women in Sports Day, which really kicked off a lot of the events we've been doing into March, which focuses on how do you keep girls not only playing sports, but staying in sports, and then the impact and the benefit that that has ultimately on female leadership later in life. A couple weeks later, we welcomed Female Founders Fund into the building, which was just an incredible event. 200 female founders, a terrific slate of speakers: Arianna Huffington, Diane von Furstenberg, Rashida Jones, Jessica Sibley. The list goes on. And then as we moved into March, we had State Street Global Advisors ring the bell for International Women's Day. And then just yesterday, we had Sally Krawcheck and Ellevest, who were here to announce the incredible milestone of $2 billion in clients AUM. So that was a really exciting day yesterday.
And you kicked off Women's History Month, the month of March, with Boss Beauties. Let's talk about this event and what opportunities it brought for attendees.
Yeah, that was a great event, and it was really, it was the perfect way to kick off the month. And so that was a mentorship forum that we hosted. We had Boss Beauties, Serena Ventures, Hello Sunshine. There were some really terrific organizations where we had representations from each of them, as well as NYSE colleagues, listed companies, and we hosted roundtables, mentorship roundtables for college students, which was such a treat for everybody.
Let's talk about the NYSE platform. What sort of opportunities does this platform give to attendees and people who come through these doors that other institutions can't?
Yeah. I mean, the NYSE is such a special and unique place. I mean, it really is one of a kind. It's private, it's historical. We have 35,000 square feet of event space for our listed companies to use. But it's also a place where companies have been coming for hundreds of years to raise capital and to grow and to really change the world. And I think that combination, it's not just a really special place physically, but it's a really special place in terms of what the NYSE stands for.
And let's talk about those events, right? I mean, the NYSE has hosted over 3,000 events. I mean, do you have any, I don't know, favorites or most notable ones that we have had here?
Well, I mean, look, IPOs and, you know, when a company lists, I think that, I mean, that is just such an exciting moment. It's an exciting moment for the company. It's a really exciting moment for us. I, of course, can't share details, although I can certainly hint at a big one coming up next week.
Okay.
But we also we host a number of events with partners. So in the spring, we're doing something with The Information, which is a leading tech platform and publication. Later in the year, we're partnering with Fast Company. And then we have a variety of different events that we host on our own. So we host board advisory councils, we host 2 tech summits, we have our NYSE Institute, we do private events on the trading floor. And so it really is a place where there's a constant buzz. There's a lot happening here all the time. And it's a pretty exciting place to get to come to every day.
And not only here, exciting things are happening around the country. In fact, next week, you and I will both be in Las Vegas as we will be attending ICE Experience. As CMO for ICE, can you share your vision for the ICE mortgage industry, why it's so important that we attend this event?
Yeah, and so this is an event that we've been hosting for a number of years. It's the largest event in the mortgage space. And it's something that is really unique to us, where we get to bring together a couple thousand of our customers and our partners and really showcase not just what we've been doing at ICE, but also educating our clients and having our partners be able to work in different forums. And so it's a really exciting event that we get to host next year, and an exciting time for us.
And you know, it's from your vantage point, right? Tech is rapidly expanding, AI is rapidly evolving, right? So as a leader in this space, how is ICE leveraging technology to really meet the needs of customers out there?
Yeah, I mean, look, we're always looking at new and proven technologies that we could use and integrate to either enhance our current offerings or to create new solutions for our clients that ultimately help them mitigate risk or create more operational efficiency or just better support their own customers.
Well, thank you so much, Stephanie, for joining me today.